Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to play Paint. So anyways, I am 13 years old. So yes, so going to just painting by myself. So anyways guys, if honest my videos until now, subscribe. But anyways, first we're gonna connect. How can I connect? Can I connect? Wait, I know. Reload. How?
When I woke up, my stomach hurts.
Where is it?
It hurts so bad that I
I
went to the
need
toilet and checked
edit.
out the
Can
diarrhea.
I just
I accidentally saw mommy's butt.
Can I just redo it?
She walked by.
Can I just
Her.
I don't know. Where's the
I don't all of this.
where?
Not in my village.
I like apple. I like apple for now, guys. I like my account, guys. I need to create. No, I don't want. I want apple. I think I'm going to make another account, guys. Can I just? Okay. I just make my account, guys. How can I just? Okay. Why? Why? Why there's no internet? Okay. What is Facebook?
Sino ka?
I don't know what's saying, guys. I don't know. I don't know. What's that? Oh, wait. Wait, I know. Okay, let's make okay, I know. I should just make it. Well, I'm going. How about let's make cactus, guys? Can I make cactus? Or just? Oh wait, I should just favorite history. Cactus. I like this. What? You know what? I'm good. Okay, we're going to just draw it online. Okay. Let's just. Oh wait. Yes. Oh wait, I should just remove the. I remove both of them, guys. I need to just make cactus. Can I make cactus, I guess? Okay. Let me just make cactus, right? Alright, let's make cactus right there. Maybe I'm going to just
Meow, meow. Hi.
oh.
Naway mo, be.
Hey, what are you doing? Wait, let's make us smaller. Let's make smaller details, guys. Let's make smaller details, I guess. Okay, yes. Detail. Okay, let's make smaller. I think cactus looks sigma. Okay. Why is it ugly? I need to make beautiful. Look at cactus.
This is the box
Okay.
that I put on, so you can smell it.
Okay.
Mabango.
Oh, great.
And that's why you're ugly.
Hey, yo.
I'm always ugly.
Oh my god. It's so beautiful. Hey. I need paintbrush. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, that's good. The cactus is beautiful. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, look. Hey, look. It's cactus. Hey, cactus. Cactus, right? No, stop it. Woo! Stewie. What? How dare you? There.
The beat.
Hey, don't say that. I need to. Let's make. Oh my god, it's so ugly. Stop making ugly or else.
Why?
Hey,
I'm going to do
bruh.
That's too.
No, it's so ugly. I need to make a cactus.
You out and
Oh my god, it's so worse.
yeah.
Yo. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Stand still.
Stop. Please. Please, let me make cactus.
Let me watch. No. I'm almost done. Let me talk.
I like cactus, right? Come on, do not make it worse. I wait, I should have
I
stopped.
just want to
Wait.
see no.
Wait. I like to paint. I need to paint, guys. Okay. I need to just paint with cactus. And also cactus girl, guys, right? Okay. Bro, I always make it. I don't know. Okay, the cactus looks good because it's funny. What? Okay. Let's make it beautiful. Okay, let's make cactus girl. Let's make cactus girl, right? Alright.
By the way, where's Adi? She went somewhere. Where?
Adi, Adi,
I
Adi.
don't know.
Hey, yo! Okay.
So,
It's so ugly.
since Adi.
How dare they? You know what? It's beautiful. No! I didn't mean it. Bro, I was wanting to make a cactus. Oh my god. It will make a worse thing. Bro, it's so ugly. I hate this painting. I really hate it so much. No!
You want some?
Oh my god. This is the worst
Kuya, is
painting
someone
ever.
calling you?
No. No, not really, sure. Oh my god, stop making that worse.
Warang tan.
Panty.
Hindi ako.
Hey!
Ay, hindi.
Mama! What are you?
Wait,
Ay!
do this.
I said.
Okay, here's your surprise.
Okay. What the heck?
Cheers.
Oh wait. Oh wait, I should just make it, please. I should just make it cactus. Yes. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, my heart is square.
Ooh.
Definitely took a minute to build. You can make it what?
Hey.
I'll be done in your server.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the worst painting ever.
Wait lang.
I made the worst painting. Oh my god. I made the worst painting ever.
I'll fight on this. Okay, because I haven't even used it.
Oh my god.
Guys, look.
Come on. Buta. Let's make it beautiful, guys. Let's make it beautiful. What about blue eyes, right, guys? You like blue eyes? Okay. Let's make it shinier.
Malog.
Mama, cactus.
Malog siya.
Okay, let's make it face. I think they looks fine, guys.
Wait,
Okay. This annoying.
Meron yan. Mod.
Wait. Oh my god.
May mod.
Okay, I think he's a boy, guys.
You hold it more.
Wait, how about it? We're going to make white. Okay. Let's make a toast, guys. I think it's beautiful. Yeah, that's good. It's a good. I think let's make a body look like a builder, bodybuilder. Let's make it, okay, guys?
Ama, sa good house. Sama so far. Wait lang, show. This is my tablet.
Hey, yo.
Ano yan?
What?
This is mine.
Okay, that's... Mama, look, I made the bodybuilder. Kasi strong siya. Kasi, because it's strong. Because it's strong, guys. Mama, look, tingnan mo. Look. Okay, you just ignore it. Okay. I made him a bodybuilder. How about this?
Umuro pundo ka, matatama ng matduho ko, intikasan ka. Ah?
How? Why?
Lubat na nga, ako di
Okay.
di ko nagkabuksan.
Because I'm sad. Bro, what? No, my stomach. What's wrong? I'll just give up. Or I'm not gonna deal with apps, I guess. I don't know. Wait, how about let's make her beautiful? How about the brown? Brown. I think she looks like brown. I think I like this character. I know how. I know how. Let's make it beautiful.
Haha, idiot.
Huh? How do you see that? I think the coin looks like I think hey, stop laughing like a jackass. I don't know.
That's not the weapon.
I need to remove this. It's ugly. Stop, please. I need to just make it if I want, guys. Let's make a beautiful girl. This is my beautiful girl. I said
Meow, meow.
I made it worse.
What's that?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Or I'm going to make it.
I'm going to shoot this at some tree. No,
Oh my god. Oh!
Can I have your eat?
You.
Can I eat?
Let's make it beautiful. Wait, what about make it darker? Or just make it brighter sun? Or just make it if I want.
Wait lang, find it out.
Wait, how about let's do like this? No, I removed that. Oh my god. No, I removed it. I removed it. Damn.
Makao ka na, be? Gusto mo ka na,
What?
be?
Why is there so many baby pigs like me?
Bro, it's so ugly. This my painting's ugly. Bruh. Do not remove this annoying. You say that, then I'm going to just give up. I'm gonna make a cactus. I'm gonna make cactus beautiful because it's green. I think every green, guys. I think she's small, guys, right? Wait, this hair. Oh my god. You know what? I'm going to. No, wait. Bro, I'm at the worst.
I want to
Oh my god. Jim. I made the worst painting. How?
Baday, yeah. Baday.
I was trying to make an hard work, but I didn't. Hey.
I'm going to the launcher.
Okay. Let's
Wait,
go.
can I borrow this?
Yes, it's on. I don't need this plushie anymore because it kind of sucks now. Because it's gonna be not real. I said. Okay. I think looks cool, right? How about let's make her beautiful? Let's make her beautiful, shall we, guys? Let's make her beautiful. Okay. If I'm going to Lobat. Hey, yo. Oh, wait. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's make beautiful. Wait, how about make it smaller? Let's make it smaller. How about let's make her a purple? I don't know. Purple.
Tastes like gold. It tastes like gold.
Like this. Oh, wait. I know.
Meow, 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 meow.
You know what? Wait.
Magusha.
I'm going to use brown, guys.
Bro,
Okay, next is this.
oh no, I'm going.
Okay, let's make it beautiful. Let's make it beautiful. Can you just watch?
Bro looks like a bull.
Okay,
Please put your head inside.
let's make a nose and also the. I'm gonna make her beautiful. Okay. Why there's no internet? Let's make her purple. I don't know.
Meow, meow.
Purple thing.
Pati duman o sa English. Kasi, nagduro mo nga.
Adya.
Okay, that's good.
Adya hug.
I like this. I like this cactus because it's beautiful
Bro, the shab.
and also like this.
My head.
Okay.
But I'm still strong.
Yeah.
Meow, meow. Oh, I need to put
I like this.
meow, meow, meow.
I think I like cactus beautiful, right? Wait, let's create this. Okay, looks beautiful. Okay. Wow, it's beautiful. The kind looks like Mama jeans. Mama. Okay. So I like this thing because it's gonna be major. So, anyways.
But I not see this dog.
Okay.
Ang bida, duty ito.
Right?
How? I should just make
Bro,
cactus,
this is a
right?
hot dog. Then a fish.
Okay.
Then kuya.
What?
May mga nagpaparado man sa
Bali.
kinartang
What?
mga outsider.
Okay. Okay, next. I don't know. This.
Ano daw si Ate Jan, may ano ka internet ka, wala?
Wow.
Di yan makakunin.
Awesome. Okay.
Nag-bread drinking.
Wow, this awesome cactus.
Can
Let's
someone please shop with me?
Ate nga.
make. No, wait.
Ate nga, ito
I
na
made,
yung internet.
I made the worst. How? Oh wait.
Kukunik.
Wait, I should just do like this.
I'm sorry. Stop! I'm a cat. I'm a cat. I want it. Wait lang.
Okay.
Ma!
Wala nga ni. Lubat.
Okay, that's good. cactus.
Para kung lalo din na
This cactus family, guys, right? Okay. I don't want to fill it up.
Can I play? Wait lang. I'm going to mess the house.
Okay.
How can you do it?
Looking good.
What's up?
What?
First, I need my
I need to say the sign. Wait, it's not even just fit. How they say that? Cactus. This cactus, right? Oh my god. Okay. Okay, next.
His teeth became a hot dog.
How can I
Yeah.
just... I don't know.
Oh, I put it na.
check mo. I-check mo si Adi. Uruni sa rabi, bilig di sa arong.
How?
Meow, meow, meow.
Can I do? Let's try easy. Let's try normal. Okay.
Something pretty.
Oh wait, I know. Wait.
Wait. No.
Okay. Oh wait. Next is I don't want to delete that.
Mama.
So. Okay, next again.
Isang dili na nga ni inagsukol.
Kinsudo.
Let's try again.
Amo.
How can I just?
Ako na. This is so fun.
How can I make? Can I make another one? I don't know. What's that? Can I make another one? How?
Go in front of them. Wait, just go in front of them.
Can I? Baby. How can I do it?
Hello?
I can't even do it. Only got one. Yes, I have one item. Wait, I need to just edit by myself.
Hoy, udo mo? Just go in front of them. Naguro do. Just go in front of them.
Can I
Mama,
just?
block.
How? How can I do it?
At ora nga ni akong internet. Kanina pa ang isus mo si mama yung kulit. Ang nabatalanta na nga na ako digdio. Sulong si Adi dun.
Okay.
Where's your mom? Ay, sige, mo na ako digdio. Ano, tigpaparang ko. Malat ka na nga ni.
Why did Adi come?
Wow.
Walang internet, walang walang signal.
Ungsiya.
Okay.
Look at that. Yeah.
Oh, wait. Okay.
You have to knock her out.
Oh wait, I know.
Knock her out.
Oh wait, I know. Let's make a cactus. Let's make cyan cactus.
I'm ready.
Anong number ni Adi? Ano yung signal?
Grab her.
Let's make cyan cactus.
Lang yung number ko.
Oh, looks fat, I guess. I don't know.
Grab her.
Wait, what about let's make deal? Okay, let's make deal for it.
Oh, yeah.
How about let's make I don't know. Wait, let's make a hair. Let's make a long hair. Let's make long hair first. Okay.
Bari. What kind
Oh my god. Oh my god. That's good.
Ay, mababulong.
Oh my god. Okay, let's make cactus.
Drop the baby. What's in the pool?
Okay, I made cactus, right? Okay. I made cactus, right, guys? Okay. We're going to make, if I want this, okay. And I like this. What about let's make long hair? Okay, I made the long hair, guys, right? Okay. Let's make this. Okay. Come on.
I'm here. Wait lang.
Can I just do like this? Oh wait. Can I just... Oh wait, let's make cyan. Cyan cactus. No! Not again. Not again. Okay, let's make it beautiful, guys. Right, guys? Let's make it beautiful. Okay. Okay, let's make it beautiful, guys. Okay. Okay, let's make it.
Wala. No, yung internet, right?
Oh wait. Okay, next.
Ulit ka. Kaya kada You didn't reply.
Oh wait, I should just make it. Oh my god, I made a cactus. I made a cactus, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. I'll make it beautiful. Alright, okay. Let's make it. Okay. Let's make it beautiful, guys. The beautiful cactus will going to just be new painting, guys. Oop, oop, oop. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's make pink and purple. Pink and purple. Let's make pink, purple. Pink and purple, guys. Stop.
No, we're not.
Okay. Okay. Okay, looks good. Okay, looks like cactus. And also, red. Hey!
Can I see?
You can just see it. Look like
Wow, it looks like you.
Yes, looks. Wait, it looks like baby.
He said it looks him.
Oh wait, that's good. Oh wait.
Can you?
Wow. Wow, I like this painting. Oh my god. Oh wait, I like this.
That means ano,
No.
he is not. Again.
Okay. Okay, looking good. Look like a cactus. Mika, I think I don't remember that name is. Wait. I don't remember that is. Wait. Okay, let's just paint it together. Oh wow. Why? Okay. Okay.
Hindi ka nagkaano.
Cactus.
Si ano, college na bala. Bra.
Okay.
Di man siya.
Bruh.
Hindi mo nag-answer si Adi.
Oh my god, yes guys. Okay. So anyways guys,
May bago si Ading.
if you want to see more videos on channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So I made the box of the cactus. The cactus family guys. So goodbye guys.
Yan ang ano